but then of course it's a nice jersey. But I like Kotoko's jersey. I think say a good year commending Ghana for Ghanaian teams now, on the importance of some of these things in terms of whipping up of fans now, because you give fans things to talk about and you give journalists things to talk about. A boy will shape the narrative of the season here, it's a good stuff, good one.
Which me mount a hohoy for.
Germany has a bottle.
Someone has a bottle.
Now only be a league now.
Yes, both home any on my way. I think omo home near red and away near blue. And see, media also at the platform so. Nice jersey. Very, very beautiful.
I'm happy on game.
Yes.
I'm happy on game.
Every platform there will give you, and am I conscious to post it? Into who say season this is the jersey. Yeah, the area. Look to create.
Where hohoy there?
Yes, hohoy.
I'm not saying bad.
Very nice jersey, Rich. Very. Look at my
way.
Look at it. So nice. So nice. Time you need to intimate call Obia, media mad woman dear, class Obia on it. But the women would your top two Kotoko baby any Gold Stars in terms of quality. No, Kotoko baby any Gold Stars, then Samates, because Samates any baby any Gold Stars in Icarus for the free US. Guy be minimum Leo. Rich also just in the quality in the even though a new player version second to the end of the year, but a very, very quality very, very quality. I'll go for Kotoko because of the quality of the jersey in the test.
Okay.
And in the design, then Babiani Gold Stars and summer test, then the rest will follow. Yeah, Rest has so officially launched because almost over and it's about
the feel of us and
yes.
Yabedi sound common. All right. So say 44. Enti yes, you better the minister and come on a kakra. Yeah, to be probably Saturday.
Okay.
You mean that time pa na ye biem.
But would you say between the minister and come on and
ye league na start
league you know. One we say this one more I say we are contenders. Odi enye do obet. Contenders for the league.
Me top 4 this season. Kotoko Beji League no.
Kotoko Beji
has beto suminu.
Has second.
Nations third.
Nations FC.
Yes, Nations beto so third.
Okay.
Na baby any Gold Stars omo a defending champions no.
The fourth.
Omo the fourth.
Na fifth.
Oh, has me who the no.
Kotoko.
Oui, has best.
Yeah, Beji League.
Okay.
Yeah, has me. I think say Didi Dramani Eddie Omuko level where I can believe that to beat him the Omaji. The management
from the top 4.
Yeah.
And the Homo Cup no boy no.
Yeah, no, but Didi Dramani as a coach.
Okay.
Not just Nyabe or Hassan. But Didi Dramani Juma in the body of work from right to dream Ghana as Juma. I think he's head and shoulder above a lot of the coaches in the Ghana Premier League. And also, I like the fact that some young coaches who can help him with some of the modern new course, even with scouting. Because one show Nyabeka is a senior man, but Neman Kito baby out. Abdullah Ghazali Moni Adiadin can help him in that regard. And I think that psychologically and even from BBT say battle point of view, no, omo nipa no nim kotoko through and through like Isan Ajawu mo any Ghazali. Now they have to full camp. So they add something to Hearts of Folk. Manfa Samatex and then Manfa was named Gold Stars and Kahon because Gold Stars third, first two, no, because of Africa commitments. No. And I think that Abra coach in Paul Manso, enya 2 things to focus on in the course of last season. League scouting for your Ghana say junior teams, no, and also doing the Gold Stars at Jumane affecting the Kakra. I think Africa may head them into third. Nations FC have been very good. Sadly, ideally, second nations are second and half first because Usha your league table now in the last 3 years, no, Oma is very consistent within and around that area. But nations, for some reason, I think Hassan Kotoko will be up there and I'll put nations on fourth.
Are you saying, say, in the last 3 seasons I have Premier League, Western for another league. No?
But this is Nenya, sir.
So from Mediama to Summer Test to Baby and Go Stars, you are saying Obibe break Western dominance. No?
Yeah.
Because has a bit breaky.
Omubako.
They've challenged them and now they will bring it back.
Because me, like said the NFCC canon, Manfa, me first to the Manfa Go Stars for now because of Africa.
Okay.
Africa and Bahamoka.
But all the Kotoko defense, but Kotoko so about Africa.
Yes, because of Kotoko team now, Maheno. Quality no. They have the men. Yes, Africa no with the league, you know, to be blended.
Okay, me, you know, in all honesty, me tia sisi obusam do baji league na mintiminka. Obusam me tofu mintiminka. Unimi de ntia. Rich, I think say we are going to play a league of dark horses. Siebo league we na club obia expecting so baji league we dia enyem one.
The reason is saying
there are a lot of clubs Rich, they are doing a lot of work behind the scenes for this particular season. My memo example, Adriana Stars. And no be assistant with Adriana. But if only you pay attention and you get to know. Now, Rich, there's a new mining company Adriana Potemo, endorsed by the chieftaincy of Adriana.
Shoba Risika, that's all.
Yes, he's the coach. Oh no, be coach this season.
Okay.
Now, Rich, mining company na be pay more. They've been given the responsibility. Say mo na mo betu agudi ene wo krom ha dia. Ene mo fasika no ebi emo Adriana ho bra. And it's all right. This transfer window, Rich, open club at top players pa. Adriana should be in there. Oh, yeah, top 3. And unim, there seems to be some renewed energy around the club. Saturday, they went for floats. And Rich, so unim Adriana Stars history per year. Rich, so many brainers of because they Cabo Mabo League now. They are one of the most difficult teams to beat. Now saying a no man here because they were disjointed. But with investment and with the renewed energy now, every team no. Rich, be careful about team FN Diana. Now, number 2, Samates. Rich, after winning the league, our last season we are omono. Omobe we no mukofa coach Christopher Eningbaye. The way they finished the league, any command made from Ora Edmona Kamoni Ayambamo, any recruitment on my year at the blind side of a lot of people, Rich, they want to come back and win the league. And they say they are celebrating, I think, 30 years of the club this year. And they want to come back and win the league. And when a club, a company club, Sano, I want the league, I can't say, I want to go again. Rich, be very, very careful about them. Then baby, any go stars. Rich, yeah, African, I can. The realistic at the end said, baby, any may be kicked out of Africa. But if they are kicked out of Africa, preparation now, Rich, it is good enough to defend the league. I am telling you. Top for requirement example. Preparation of the Bienu Go Stars Ayeno. It is good enough. Sir, Omaka so many club will be a TG. As our pre-league, you know what? Rich, they are strong contenders. Look, last season, Mediama went through a lot of phases. But this time around, Rich, from the beginning, they are so focused. So much to say on we ABB, you can't discount Bechem. Bechem is a very, very serious club. Didn't you have information and man come away when they say they've sold a lot of quality players. Now few more and you know so many good players are now emanation etekeno. I am only counting on coach Mengo said he's a very, very good coach. And when it is when in Nanasono, players or do mubano, and that's surprise. So I am counting on say Obetimi do Mababa Rich. I am say by the time he realizes his team for this season, you know, not be a points in to talk to Tonchaya. And when I had this or bear contenders, then obviously you add your favorite Kotoko and Haas to it. Many 50 are doing. The new Mekani new because of Fimuno Wasaba. The new in quote Ogum in our league, Didi Dramani. I am talking about coaches. Or yet meticulous. Or she's sending you or planning ye.
You be your patro.
Yes, mature way. Minim say me bo we wi am kwa. I say na hatie. Enti me rest we ya me use no ha. Sa good planning no. Rich a go very fine winning you league. And me Didi say Didi Dramani has brought that to our heart of folk. Has squad no still now no. A Didi nya kese mame. But Rich, Didi is a good planner. Look. Obianto plays in Jinkotoko. No. Obianto plays in Chiomo. And they are struggling to have the combinations now. But Rich, where they are, there will be some period within the league. They will hit a certain form of consistency. So Kotoko hits a form of consistency with these quality players now. And the bet you whether we meet league now so much. The two issue I'm war and say, Rich, the politics ewo Samates, the politics ewo Bebiani Gold Stars, the politics now at Ediana, and yet as deep as the politics I want Kotoko, and it has. And some small chain of bad results. It may take that to Kotoko has, but the others will be able to stabilize on the team and come back, which they don't have. And those clubs and winning league ahead of Kotoko has. Into this season, so we are Kotokoni, we are asking you, tell me, boys, Mopa, Munloa, sa pressure and any politics now, Mudu Kotim, when there's a chain of bad results, Kakrabia, no more Mutimno, and go smooth, no more concentration, and more league, or more league, and back to two of those giants now. Rich, we are going to play one of the most competitive league, one of the most exciting, and one of the most well-anticipated leagues I share in the last decade this season in the 2025-2026.
Particularly excited about.
Well, Mama Yanka
Karela, and it
who didn't play so much.
Coaches there, Basio, Nomsa, and I'm okay. And
for Maka, that courses on what? You bought players,
I've not even.
You bought for Joe. Because you draw from maybe quality players.
Every time I say, yeah, good media. When we say GFA person, graphics on Sanyamano, it will help shape the narrative of the league.
And then I had more chance with the launching
excellency. Yes, John Domani Mahama will be there. Stoneboy will be there.
Stoneboy, so I mean, the spotlight, you know.
Companies will come on best almost sablete GF, friends and league, broadcasting. You may send compound number for comment. Let me say, scan on boy any somehow. This is a super journalist, but no more 500 from weekend every 500 from rate of bro. As for manager, I mean, it's like I got 2,000. I can make can we get near 2,000?
Come on, Tommy Benzi.
Is it Benny?
Boy, my co Beniza. Me call Papa with the Kofi Beba. Papa nezem ko bini ko bodo
ebia de ho paani yentimi nka wo
Amuzu garlic bitters ma moja di afurusani yi blood pressure any cholesterol ko form